guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we're reviewing a product. Semink sent me some temporary tattoos to review for you today. They let me choose from a whole bunch of different ones, and let me show you the ones that I chose. I chose these watercolor flamingos with some watercolor and printed flowers. How gorgeous is that for a temporary tattoo? I mean, the two flamingos are like one tattoo because they intersect with each other, but like on your side, how cute would that be? How cute. It is a little big, but that's okay. I'm gonna roll with it. Or like on your thigh, that'd be cute too. And then I also got some of these little ones. So I got, let me hold them up for you. I got some planets, some creature outlines. I thought those were kind of cool. Panda, geometric pandas, some other cool like outlined accent tattoos. I thought they were kind of cool. Some Halloween cartoons. Look at how cute those are. And then some like lettery looking arrowy situations. Let's talk a little bit about Semink before we actually get into the application of any tattoos, if you will. So they are a company who obviously sells sheets of temporary tattoos, but they also sell this gel, Jagua tattoos. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that. I will put up the word. I'm gonna say Jagua, and if it's wrong, I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that. I am horrible with language. But it is a henna-like gel. It isn't henna, it is Jagua, and it comes from a fruit, I guess, and it's like a black stain that lasts for 1 to 3 weeks. And it is kind of like a henna situation because you can draw, you know, doodles or stencils or anything like that. I do not have that gel, but I think that is kind of like part of their brand, is that they sell this Jagua gel that's like henna, and then they sell these temporary tattoos. Let me see the price for the Jagua gel. It's their kit. It's $14.99, which is like unbelievably reasonable. And then they sell a whole bunch of stencils, like really awesome stencils, for like $5.99. For these tattoo stickers, that's what they call them. They're not stickers really. Like this sheet, it's on sale right now for $5.99. It retails for $11.99. But like this huge temporary tattoo of these two flamingos, which is like an awesome pattern, is $5.99. That's not bad for a temporary tattoo, like a nice quality temporary tattoo. How much are these other little ones? Because these ones came like together as like a package. This one, all of these are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 6 come together, and this is also $11.99, but it's on sale for $5.99. So like, look at how many tattoos you're getting for $5.99. I don't know. I have a 3-year-old who is just getting into temporary tattoos. They can be pricey. For like nice ones, temporary tattoos can be pricey. I'm just putting that out there. They also have a whole bunch of different designs. I will try and put a video of like screenshots of some of the designs that they have, but they have colored tattoos, they have metallic tattoos, they have jewelry tattoos, they have owls, skulls, they have new Halloween collections out. It looks like everything right now is on sale. Some of these Halloween tattoos are cute. If you're looking for something different, if you don't give out candy, you know. Oh, they also have like costume ones for like scars and things like that. Oh, look, they have ones for your whole face. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Sorry, now I'm just like, oh, now we're getting into the jewelry. Cool. They just have like a lot to offer. And again, sometimes temporary tattoos are good, nice temporary tattoos are hard to come by. So for the price, like, I'm impressed by what they have to offer. They also have free shipping on orders over $25. Everybody loves good free shipping. It says, our story. Welcome to Semink, the original innovative jewelry-inspired temporary tattoos for serious and not so serious fashionistas. Our tattoos and accessories are perfect for the beach, the pool, parties, festivals, concerts, anywhere you and your skin might be seen having fun. Just apply, glimmer, and go. Well, isn't that just dandy? Okay, so the tattoo that I want to use today, I think I'm going to use these Watercolor Flowers. I'm going to use this one on my wrist. How does that sound? That sound good? In this little like folder that they came in, about the product, temporary tattoos can be placed anywhere on your hands, arms, face, neck, shoulders, chest, back, ankles, feet, legs, fingers, knuckles, even nails. They're perfect for any occasion. How to apply. How to apply. Clean the desired area on the skin with little hair. Cut the design and remove the transparent paper cover. Place temporary tattoo face down on your skin. Soak a sponge with regular water and wet the surface of the tattoo thoroughly and wait 20 to 30 seconds. Gently lift corner of temporary tattoo to check if it is transferring. If it is transferred, gently peel off paper. If not, press down and wet again. Remove the paper and enjoy the beauty of your temporary tattoo. That's a nice temporary tattoo, guys. That's a nice temporary tattoo. Alright, I'm going to wait for it to dry. So then it also says durability specification, hand and fingers last 1 to 2 days. Ear root. What is that? Ear root, neck. Oh, maybe it's this. Yeah, like back here. Ear root, neck, leg lasts 3 to 5 days, and then shoulder, chest, back, and ankle lasts 3 to 7 days. How to remove, rub the tribal temporary tattoo with alcohol or remover or makeup remover or cold cream or baby oil, and then wait 10 seconds. Rub again gently and repeatedly until the tattoo has disappeared, or by scrubbing it off with soap and water. So these last, I mean, it seems like they last pretty long. Keep up with me on my Instagram, Kirby Rose Beauty, to see. I like that though. That's a nice tattoo. I'm excited for some of these since you can use them on your face. I'm excited for this one. I'm gonna try and use this little like spider guy in like an eye look. How cute would he be? Or Amberly will end up getting these, some of them. But I'm interested in that Jagua gel as well as some more of these like Halloween tattoos. They have so many different options. And I also like that they're like colored and watercolored. They're not just like printed. I mean, some of them are. Like on this flamingo one, like this flower is printed, but these are like watercolors. I think it's cool. They have so many different options. And it's a wide variety too. It's not just like cartoons. They have a Tetris one for gamers. They have some emojis. They have so many different ones. This is cool. I like that. Maybe I'll actually get that tattoo. Oh, alright. Yeah, I may be interested in getting more of these. They're such a good price at $5.99. Even $11.99, I feel like that's a little steep, but like if they're on sale, but even you're still getting like nice quality. Like you can't find these flamingos in the store. It was a good review. Good review from Kirby Rose Beauty, that's for sure. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. All right. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. I will list the tattoos that I showed in the description box below, so if you are interested in trying them out, you can do that on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.